So this week, the project that I was working on was a very interesting project because there really wasn't a plan for this project. I completely freestyled it from beginning to end. So just wanted to talk about the process of creating this video comic and how I freestyled it, why I freestyled it, and just give you some behind the scenes snippets of what was going on. And I think you guys will really get a lot out of that because we're trying to give you value, and I definitely want to give you value, and I think this will fill that need. Hopefully. That's what I hope anyway. We're gonna see. Let's go. So as a fan of hip-hop culture and growing up in the culture, freestyling is something that you see mostly rappers do, but every now and then you'll see some artists do it as well. A lot of I know, like John Romita Jr., he doesn't really draw thumbnails, and I don't draw thumbnails on my personal projects. When it's a paid project, I do, and that's a form of freestyling. But in this particular case, the video comic that I made, They Killed Wally, was completely freestyle with no written script, basically just drawing from my thoughts, and everything was just kind of created on the fly, which was a challenge because I have become so process oriented in my process that it was a little bit of an issue sometimes when I was creating this, because I haven't just drawn straight from the dome in years. When I was a kid I did, but as a professional creator, that's not how you do it. Yo, just got back from getting lunch. BK. About to get back to work on this particular project. So far so good. I'm pretty much freestyling everything, which is pretty fun. But I did have one issue. It looks like I missed the panel that I have to draw. So gotta go back and draw that. Let me show you what I'm talking about so you can see what I'm talking about. So this panel here is actually supposed to have a panel before it. So what I got to do is I got to draw the panel that comes before it. So let's see here. Hold on. There we go. So that's the fourth panel, and then this first panel, second panel, third panel, this fourth panel, and then there's supposed to be a different fifth panel, and then this will be the sixth panel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the actual fifth panel, rename this panel as panel 6, and then the fifth panel actually is going to be panel 7 too. So that's kind of the plan, so I can kind of reuse stuff, which is pretty cool. Now, what I found really interesting about this project is that it allowed me to use almost all of the skills that I have accumulated over the past 10 to 15 years. And when I say that, people say, well, you're kind of over-exaggerating, aren't you, Dave? And I was like, no. What I'm talking about is the skills of drawing. Obviously, I've been drawing for years and years and years and years, but drawing in Adobe Illustrator, drawing digitally, obviously just my skills as a storyteller, using all of my storytelling skills as far as that, but then also my skills as an editor, editing in Adobe Premiere, doing voice work, just all of these things, Photoshop, even the work in Photoshop, all those things that happens are just skills that you have accumulated, and that's kind of what I was talking about. Finally got all the artwork finished. Now I gotta do the voices real quick. This should be fun. I don't even have a script yet. I'm freestyling this whole thing. I think I'm gonna write out the script just to be on the safe side, so I don't mess too much up. Also, Aaron's in the house. Say hi, Aaron. He is so shy, but it's all right. We're gonna get him out of that. But we're gonna see how this goes. Hopefully, I can put this to bed within the next couple of days, and this will be an entirely freestyle video comic. We're gonna see. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm actually going to record all the voices into Adobe Audition right here, and I'm hoping, this is my hope, that this works. We're gonna see. So I'm gonna try to switch my voice up 3 times to make it work, but we're gonna see. Come on, man, come on, it's not like that. She was so nice, and she said she really needed the extra spice. It was for a book club's costume party, man. She sent me pictures, yo. Look at them in their pumpkin costumes. It's her. Look at her husband and the baby. Look at the baby, yo. The baby. Yo, that's a wrap. Got it in. I think you guys are gonna like this one. This one's pretty fun, and learned a lot. So I'll be doing a lot more of these little shorts, and I think you guys are gonna really like them. So look for it soon. So guys, that's really it. I just wanted to talk about the behind the scenes creation process and just some of the things that I was thinking of. I mean, basically it was just easy, just drawing the comic book. I already had an idea of what I wanted to do with the editing process. I already knew what I wanted to do with the voice work process. So I want to do more in-depth versions of these behind the scene videos. I think there'll be more fun. They're a lot of fun. So definitely we're going to get a little bit more in depth, and I was just kind of moved by what was going on with this particular project. So if you have not, go over and subscribe to the Foresight Media YouTube channel, and you can see the finished short, They Kill Wally. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.